All right, let's talk about the quotient rule. Now, in the quotient rule, the word quotient actually means division, isn't it? So if you have a function like this, 3x squared minus 4 over 2x minus 3, or plus 3, either way. Now, we are told to find this kind of expression. Know that y prime, which is derivative of y, is going to be u over v. Now, y is written as u over v, is that okay? But dy dx or y prime, dy dx or y prime will be v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. Now take it this way, as first the smaller this is a proper fraction where u being before in the alphabetical order, u is before v, so the small one is on top, the bigger one is under. U, V, W, X, W, X, Y, Z. So 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. So it means that U is 21, this one is 22. So U is before it, so U should be on top. I mean, the reason why I'm doing that is so because students usually forget how the arrangement is. So the one on top is going to be your U, the one under, the numerator is going to be your U, the denominator is going to be your V. So the arrangement is V du dx minus U dv dx over V squared. All right, so let's use that in resolving this. So it means that our U is 3x squared minus 4, and du dx now is going to be what? 6x minus 4, 6x. Derivative of constant is 0. So from there, v is also 2x plus 3. So dv dx is going to be 2. So from here, we can say that v dy dx is going to be v du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. So what is our v? V is 2x plus 3 dot du dx. What is du dx? We had 6x minus u, which is 3x squared minus 4, and dv dx, which is 2. So all over v squared. V is 2x plus 3. So all squared. All right. Then dy dx is equal to, multiply this, so we have 12x squared plus 18x minus is going to open this bracket, but let this open this first. So this times is going to be minus 6x squared plus, because minus times minus, plus 8. So all over. Now you can express this in full if you want, but usually your answer is always presented in the form where this one is not being fully expressed. So we can now have, this one will subtract this to give us 6x squared. So we have dy dx becomes 6x squared plus 18x plus 8 over 2x plus 3, all squared. So, and that will be it for, that would be your answer. That would be your answer. I was thinking if this was factorizable so that we can, if we could get something like this. All right, so that would be it for the quotient rule. And as I said before, there might be some cases where you will use more than one method to solve a particular question. In the next video, we're going to be doing the next type of differentiation, which is function derivative or function refunction. Please do want to subscribe to the channel, and let's take the channel to 1 million subscribers. God bless you.